If you are making the cube op art option with pencil and paper, you need the paper in your sketchbook or a sheet of 9 by 12 paper. If you're working in your sketchbook, please make sure that you're using 2 facing pages to get a 9 by 12 workspace. You can hold your paper landscape orientation or portrait orientation. That is up to you. I'm working in landscape orientation. You need a ruler or straight edge. You don't actually need the measurements. Some kind of colorful art material. I'm using a black marker. You don't have to use black. You can use color if you would like. And you need a pencil. To start, we're going to create your 2 vanishing points because this actually uses 2-point perspective. With your pencil, on the top third of your paper, make an X on the left and an X on the right. Try to keep them even. Some people find it helpful to draw a horizon line. You can sketch this very lightly because you will end up erasing it. And that can help you to line up your vanishing points on the horizon line. They don't have to be exactly on the horizon line, actually. As long as they're pretty close, you're good. With your ruler, you're going to place your ruler vertically in the middle of your paper between your 2 vanishing points, just eyeballing it. You're going to draw a line straight up and down. Ideally, south of where your horizon line would be, or at least south of your vanishing points. And it should not come down to the bottom of your paper. I'm going to pivot from the top of that vertical line to my left vanishing point and draw a line. I am drawing a bit darker than I would normally, just so it will show up on my camera. From the bottom of that vertical line, I'm also going to pivot to my left vanishing point. I'm going to do the same process on the right side. From the top of the vertical line to my right vanishing point, making sure that I pivot my ruler so that it lines up. And then again from the bottom, pivoting my ruler. And if my rings are getting in my way because I'm working in a spiral sketchbook, here's the other side of my ruler. So pivoting from that vanishing point to the bottom of the line. Drawing a cube in 2-point perspective is easy, so long as you use a ruler and you pivot from your vanishing points. I'm going to take my ruler and line it straight up and down with my first vertical line. I'm going to slide it towards my left vanishing point. How far you slide it is really up to you. I'm going to draw a line between my 2 guidelines. With more of a rectangle, that's good. If you're looking at it, I'm going to draw from the image where this line I created intersects with that drawing point. I'm going to pivot my ruler from this intersection to the opposite intersection. Right. I'm going to use my ruler to the vanishing point on the left, pivoting my ruler. Darker than I usually would because you do end up erasing a lot of them. Repeat that process. So this intersection. their purpose. They created a beautiful two-point perspective cube. And now we can look at it. While here, also going to give us the magazine. We're going to leave my vanishing. If you want to erase those, you probably can see them well enough, even after you erase them, to use them. Because you're going to use your vanishing points to create that checkered effect on our cube. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to use my vanishing point on the leaves. You can see them clearly. There's the guidelines. We create the checkerboard. We're going to work on the faces of the cube. One face at a time. When I say face of the cube, I mean five two-dimensional surface of this three-dimensional form. Black face, white face. Your cube may look different from mine. Closer to it. That's okay. Correct if it is or if it has one side or the other. So, vertical. And keep it straight up and down. Slide it. So I need to create three straight up and down lines on the left-hand face of my cube. Certainly create more than three. As I move back towards that left edge, the lines in theory should get closer together. If they're not small, that's not hard for you to do. Don't worry about it. I'm going to repeat that process on the other side. On the right face. Three, you can create more than three. They don't have to be evenly spaced. This is where to do it. Pivoting from my vanishing point to that line. If I did not draw to that vanishing point, it would be immediately obvious. It would pop. On the right face, we're going to connect the intersections I just made to the right vanishing point. Pivoting. Intersection vanishing point downward. And your pencil width may be a little bit off. It's okay. As long as it's not too much off. The nice thing about perspective is you can tell immediately if the image is off. To the left face or the right face. We need to use the top of our cube. These intersections are going to connect to the opposite cube in two-point perspective. And we just fill in the checkerboard pattern. So you can either use a black cube and like the paper white for every other one, or you can use two contrasting colors. So two colors on top, white, red, and blue. Or purple and down.
Go ahead, I'll catch up.
Let's see. Yellow contrast with the bottom of yellow and dark with contrast.
This is Steve from Ohio. No cat before last
One about a one color, two color.
This isn't back out.
One color is it? Once I have filled in the checkerboard pattern on my cube, I now need to consider what do I do with the rest of my space. I can't leave it white. I can certainly continue a checkerboard pattern in the background. I could restore my vanishing points and create additional cubes. Or I could take a look at the examples on the Google slideshow and come up with a solution. So looking at the Bridget Riley piece, the beginning of that Google slideshow. I could decide, for example, I'm going to fill my background with very skinny black lines that are very close together. You could do this in pencil, you could do it with a marker, or colored pencil, or a crayon. Make sure you fill the space.